Hey everyone, it's Andrei, and in this video I would like to share with you a way the set command has saved me some time, some precious time I would say, because I recently wanted to replace the tags property with a different one in all of these index.md files that you see here. Basically, this is the blog section of my portfolio website, and here I have each of these folders represents an article, and each article folder has an index.md file. So of course I wouldn't like to manually go to each of these files and manually edit the tags property to a different one. So I thought this would be a great use case for the set command, and I thought I would share this this interesting thing that I did with you. So I'll bring up my terminal, and then I'm going to paste the command, and we'll go step by step to it in order to understand it. So here is the command. First of all, we're going to grab so first of all, we are in the content directory, which contains these four folders, and we are going to first of all grab the blog folder only. Then we're going to by doing this, by wrapping this command in a pair of brackets preceded by a $sign, we are essentially going to invoke this inner command when this outer command is invoked. So at this step, we are listing the contents of the blog folder right here, and as you can see, there are some folders, and at the end an index.md file. Next, we want to get rid of this index.md file because we are only interested in the index.md files from the article folders. And the way we are doing that is by using the -v flag of the grep command. And what this does is to revert, or rather to invert the pattern. Essentially, it will list all of the names that don't have underline index in their name. And by doing that, we arrive at this point, which will list only the folders in this block file. Now I'll grab the command once again. I'll clear terminal, and let's carry on. Now the interesting part begins when we are going to use xargs, and what this does, it will allow us to invoke some logic for all of these names, or rather for all of these values that we have here. I'll have to grab that command again. I also did the replacement by mistake, but it's alright, we will carry on. So what this does, first of all, we specified the delimiter, which in this case is the new line for all of them. This will allow us to grab each of these names individually and run a command for them. Then we specify how we want to refer to these values. In this case, we're going to use a pair of brackets, but it could have been something else as well. And then finally, we're going to use sed, and that will allow us to do the replacement in these files. So first of all, we specify the replacement logic. We want to replace the tags word with blog tags in all of the file, in the entire file basically. And the way we specify our file is by using the way to refer to these folders, and that is the pair of brackets. So basically, you can think that instead of this pair of brackets, we are going to use each of these folder names. Right, and earlier I did invoke this command, and as we will see, it seems to work. That indeed has saving some time, Now the problem is that if the content of my article contains the word tags, then I might run into some issues, but I hope I never did that, and if I will be careful next time. Right, I guess this was it for this video. I hope you find this insightful, and I will see you in the next one.